Hey guys, sound the horns, pop your champagne, because today we're launching our brand new extra virgin olive oils, our 2022 Harvest. Super excited about this. We have some great olive oils, an incredible lineup, starting with our kitchen blend. This is our mildest, smoothest extra virgin olive oil. Arbequina is going to have a little more fruit, some nuttiness. It's delicious. And then we got our big award winner here, our Ascolano, which is a little more complex than these two because it has a lot more fruit. More of that green complexity in there. A great finishing oil for dipping bread, putting over salad, pasta. Then if you want even more of a kick, you can jump up to our robust blend. It's going to have more of that greenness, that pepperiness, which you get on the back of your throat from the high polyphenols in this olive oil. And then speaking of polyphenols, if you guys want our biggest, hard-hitting polyphenol extra virgin olive oil, punch you in the face, you're going to want to go with our Foxy extra virgin olive oil. This one by far has our highest polyphenol count. It's over 500, and it's a very nice, well-balanced, very complex, because you got a lot of fruit, a lot of greenness, a lot of pepper in this olive oil. Another good one for finishing your pastas, dipping bread, and put it in with some balsamic vinegar over your salad. So I hope you guys enjoy these olive oils. They're going to be delicious. Let's break bread. Which one are we going to pour? Let's pour our Ascolano. This is always my go-to for dipping bread. Get yourself a nice big plate like this. Pour on the olive oil. Get your friends. I like a little salt with mine. A little garlic salt. Yeah, I can just smell the aroma coming off of there. It's delicious. Let's get a piece for dipping here. Oh, yeah. Been looking forward to this. My mouth is literally watering right now. Here we go, guys. Alrighty, with the aroma, the smell, the flavor, that fruitiness, peaches, apricots coming off of there, that tomato leaf. Absolutely delicious. Do we have more bread? We're going to need some more, people. Bring it on. All right, guys, enjoy.